How to use LinkedIn to find GIS and remote sensing jobs. At the end of this video, you will learn about 5 steps to achieve this goal. So, let's jump into the video, but before that, make sure to hit the subscribe and click the bell icon to turn on the notification, so you will not miss anything. LinkedIn can be a useful tool for finding job opportunities in the field of GIS, Geographic Information Systems, and remote sensing. Here are some tips for using LinkedIn to find these types of jobs. 1. Create a strong LinkedIn profile. Make sure your LinkedIn profile accurately reflects your education, skills, and experience in GIS and remote sensing. Include any relevant coursework, internships, or jobs that you have had in these fields. If you want to see my LinkedIn profile, find the link in the description section. Don't forget to follow me. 2. Connect with professionals in the industry. Join relevant LinkedIn groups and follow companies and individuals in the GIS and remote sensing fields. This will help you to build your network and stay up to date on industry trends and job opportunities. 3. Use LinkedIn's job search feature. LinkedIn's job search feature allows you to search for jobs based on location, industry, and keywords. Use this tool to search for GIS and remote sensing jobs in your area. 4. Use LinkedIn's advanced search. LinkedIn's advanced search allows you to search for jobs based on more specific criteria, such as job title and company size. Use this tool to narrow down your search and find jobs that are a good fit for your skills and experience. 5. Use LinkedIn's Apply with LinkedIn feature. Many companies allow you to apply for jobs directly through LinkedIn using the Apply with LinkedIn feature. This can make it easier to apply for jobs and keep track of your job applications. By following these tips, you can use LinkedIn to find job opportunities in the field of GIS and remote sensing. It is also a good idea to network with professionals in the industry and to stay up to date on industry trends and job openings through LinkedIn groups and other online resources. So while you are waiting, go and see my LinkedIn profile to get an idea. Complete yours. I hope you learned something new from this video. If yes, give a like for me. Leave a comment below. Share this video with a friend. I'll be back with a new video soon. Good luck with your efforts.